sunny until midday, then becoming mostly sunny. A 30% chance of rain showers. Highs in the lower 70s. The following information concerns beach hazards. For the The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 488, effective until 3 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Monday. This watch includes the following counties in Michigan: Allegan, Clare, Ionia, Isabella, Kent, Lake, Mason, Mecosta, Montcalm, Muskegon, Newego, Oceana, Osceola, and Ottawa. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.